Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today's topic is positive thinking. This is very important subject because positive thinking is very rather seriously important in today's times because of this media revolution, because of social media. So many things, probably the more negative things are being explored and exploited by these medias. So there is a need how to think positively, how to rationalize the thinking, and how to use these social medias positively rather than negatively. So there are three things which are very important so far as positive thinking is concerned. Number one is the thoughts. Thoughts are very important because when you think, then they will shape your lives. So number one is this belief in yourself, that I want to do these things, I want to be that and this and that person, how to go about the life. So belief in oneself is very important. Number two is this peace of mind. Peace in mind is important. When you have a peaceful mind, then you think positively. Anxiety, these things, anarchy, they should be emptied from your mind. Emptying of a mind is very important. It should be substituted by this belief in oneself and peace in mind. Emptying of a mind and negative thoughts will bring a peace in the mind. And number third is very inevitable rather. That is this selection of an objective, motive or goal. You have to select the goal in life to be achieved, self-actualized by a person. So these three things are important to have the positive thinkings. Direction is to be given to achieve and self-actualize this objective rather. For these things, we have to be very focused on that objective, belief in mind, and we should not be distracted from the goal. Every energy, kinetic or otherwise, should be directed, focused to achieve that goal. And then it should be given an momentum, just like a bicycle you are riding and getting a momentum to get the target to be achieved. So just like this bicycle analogy, we can get the momentum to get this objective realized. And for these objectives to be achieved, the attitude is very important. Attitude towards the facts. There are so many attitudes that we cannot solve this problem. We have this hiccups. We have this obstacles. So we should not look to these obstacles, hiccups. Rather than we should explore the options of solutions to the problem or to the challenge. Even we can call it not a problem, but this is a challenge. The selection of the words in mind and thought is very important. The positive selection of the words, positive sentences should be used even in normal conversations. So it will create this positivity in the thought process. So coming back to this doctrine of attitude, the attitude towards facts should be changed. It should be rather changing from the problem to the solutions. how to find any solution. So these are very important things. And last but not the least, socialization with the positive thoughts is also a very inevitable. Socialization with the colleagues, socialization with the books, socialization with the internet, socialization with the other phenomena that are positive, not the negative. Though negative phenomena, negative thoughts, negative socialization should be avoided, and it should be replaced, substituted with the socialization with positive thoughts, phenomena, social medias, and other things. When you have a company of positive thoughts, then your mind will be rather articulated towards the positive thoughts. The second part relates to the negative thoughts, rather which anxieties, depressions. These terms or words should be alien to the positive thoughts. They should be excluded from the vibration of the brain, and they must be substituted, replaced by the positive terms, rather love, tolerance, happiness, and possibilities of the positive options which integrate the society, integrate the individual, to have an harmony of the thoughts towards the actualization of a goal which the person sets for himself or herself. So when you think positively, the reality becomes positive. So your thoughts will make the reality true. So to become a successful, you have to think positively. First, thinking is important. Then the second part is positively thinking is more important rather than the even thinking alone. So the positive thinking will lead to the real life, which is very successful in the complex world. Thank you.